How to add captions to YouTube Shorts automatically. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to add captions on YouTube videos or YouTube Shorts. So first of all, open up your YouTube app. So after you open your YouTube app, as you can see now, if you want to add a caption on the YouTube Short automatically, so you can tap on this short section. So after you come to this short section, as you can see now, here is this video now is playing without, as you can see now, caption under the video. So if you want to add caption automatically to this video, you can tap on this three dot at the top right side. So you can tap on this captions. So in this section here, tap on this English, so auto generate. So as you can see now it generated. As you can see now, here is a caption under this video. Now the video is playing with caption under it. So now every video that is playing now, it will have this caption, as you can see now, automatically under it. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video, guys.